Vanakkam, namaste. My name is Liz. I'm here to teach some chair yoga today. It is great to learn chair yoga if you're recovering from any sort of brain trauma, whether it be a surgery, a stroke, car accident, or even if you are suffering from an ankle injury or something that is making your lower body not as easy to work with the ground. You don't want to be on the ground. So I'm going to walk through a series of about 15 or so poses to just quickly show you how you can integrate yoga into your daily routine. If you can make 10 minutes, spare 10 minutes a day and do this as a habit, a part of your daily routine, you'll see amazing progress with rewiring your brain to form those connections that may have become damaged during whatever sort of brain trauma you experienced. As a child, we have so many opportunities to make new brain cells, and our brain is forming all these awesome pathways to connect to different cells and neurons. And after going through a brain trauma, you actually have to reform those, and even as an adult you can do it, but it does require extra effort, and it's actually rejuvenating when you do start doing yoga because you learn how to connect with your body more, breathe, and you develop more of a mind-body connection. Make it a part of your daily routine. There is lots of evidence and research-based studies that prove for yoga to be effective in the healing process, and it is amazing the results that show improved strength, improved focus, improved stability. Just walking, for example, you'll be able to, if you want to walk, then you'll be able to do it with more ease. Even if it's not like you did before the injury, you'll be able to do it more easily if you are able to practice yoga and work on those core muscles and develop those leg muscles that you used to have before the injury. So let's begin. For your practice of yoga, you want to make sure that you're set up. Having proper clothing is helpful, just something that you can move freely in so that you never feel like you're restricted in a pose due to uncomfortable clothing. Water is good to have around. To start our practice today, you're going to want to ease your body towards the end of the seat so that your sit bones are just at the very end. And try to sit with the best posture that you can, with your shoulders relaxed but kind of rolled back and more upright. So you're going to take a deep breath, and then very slowly we're going to work on loosening the neck. And just stay in tune to how your neck is feeling, how your body is feeling, how your head is feeling. And don't strain yourself. You're really just trying to get in tune with your body. So you'll drop your chin to your chest and then roll your ear to your left side. Hold it there for one deep breath. And then roll it to the other side for another deep breath. So this is good to do about 3, maybe 5 times. Just to start your practice and connect with your body. And when you feel like you're connected and you feel good, take a deep breath up You can open your eyes. If you're feeling uncertain about doing yoga for your first time, definitely ask your husband or your caregiver or whoever you have around to be there for support. Some of these positions may put your body in uncomfortable situations where you may just need them to help guide your hand so that you can hold the pose. So the first movement that we'll do is a cross arm hold. So however you feel comfortable, bring your arm across your body and you're basically just holding it like this. And again, I tend to do 5 breaths per pose, but the basis of this video is just to show you the poses and allow you to choose which are great for your body and your healing process and go from there. If you like 3 breaths, only hold it for 3. And then your other arm. A similar one, but just be lifting above and try and get your neck comfortable. A lot of yoga poses, you want to think about your posture and be aware of your posture throughout the practice. And your gaze through most where you're looking at is actually an important component of yoga too. And generally in most of these poses, you'll be looking forward. I'll let you know if we're not looking forward. Side body stretches are a good way to reconnect the left brain and the right brain, the different hemispheres together too. So the more you can just crossing over and getting that stretch in is really nice. And if you've slipped back like me, just remember to kind of like sit at the top of the chair. I'm more showing you the poses quickly so that you can decide which are right for your body and you can develop your own series of poses that work for your lifestyle. A towel is great for this behind the back arm stretch. You get it in your arm and then just twist your other arm like that and creep it up. Over time, like so, just squeeze, bring your arms together. And even if your starting point is right here, if you continue each day, you'll see your arms gradually, you'll be able to go like that. And then do the same thing with the other arm. It's fun to see progress, you'll see it. So that concludes most of the arm upper body exercises that I found today and thought of today and kind of used in a similar way in my own practice. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this has been helpful for any of you that have been struggling to find movement in your life the way you used to before any sort of brain trauma or injury. So I hope this helps somebody. Please let me know your feedback if you're having issues with some particular movement or you need some sort of modification. Let me know. I am not an expert, but if you have access to a physical therapist, that is the ideal way to go. Having them walk you through some of these exercises are likely similar to what they're already doing. With yoga, you are using the breath too, so that is the one sort of difference that you'll find between yoga and physical therapy. But I hope this really helps. Thanks.